All right, so now let's talk about mixtures on the other side of this matter pyramid. So a mixture is defined as two or more different particles in a container. So this can be split into two different groups. We have homogeneous mixture or heterogeneous mixture. A homogeneous mixture, or sometimes called a solution, that's a nice little keyword there. That is when the two different types of particles are evenly mixed. Not evenly mixed in numbers per se, but evenly mixed in how they're distributed. So let's say I have a container. I like to think of this as like a trail mix, where sometimes you've got raisins, you've got peanuts, chocolate pieces, and they're all evenly mixed together. So when you take a scoop of trail mix, you don't just get just the chocolate. You get a nice even mix for the most part of all the different parts of a trail mix. So an evenly mixed homogeneous particle picture will look like where we maybe have some atoms, and maybe we have a compound. So this would be a homogeneous mixture of an atom and compound. That's how we would classify this picture. So we've got two different types of particles, atoms and compounds, but they're evenly mixed. So there's no definite layer here. On the other side, a heterogeneous mixture. Okay, a heterogeneous mixture is unevenly mixed. And this one is really obvious to tell because you can actually see layers. You guys have seen this before in a sample of oil and water. The oil tends to float at the top and water tends to sink on the bottom. If we were to have a particle picture kind of going on here, we would have oil, maybe just some atoms or some compounds of oil, then water is good old H2O. Right? So we would have, two different types of substances or particles unevenly mixed. So we can actually scoop out the oil or scoop out the water because there is a divided layer there. Right? And there you have it. There's your matter pyramid.